I wanted something to keep the server off the ground, and this is going to be a perfect fit. And that computer is pretty heavy, so it's doing a great job. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Iceberg 20-inch by 30-inch folding table. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this item or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail packaging right here. Check it out. Very generic and basic. The only real identifier on here is this pink barcode right here with some additional product information. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. So in the box, we get two pieces. We have the plastic tabletop and the metal legs. Currently, we have everything assembled. This is the lowest height setting right here, and you can see the wall outlet for scale. But check that out, everything looks really nice. Flipping it upside down, you can see we have a couple more height adjustments, so we can raise it 2 additional notches higher. And then the last notch, in case you're wondering, that's just so this can fold up nice and compact and everything snaps right into place. So now let's go ahead, let's look at it at the maximum height. Here's the maximum height you can see for this table. Pay attention to the wall outlet again. And you may notice with the design, what I'm calling the front of the table right here, we have a nice gap between the legs and the front that we don't have along the back. So you can see right here, we have extra space on this side. So if we did want to kind of maybe use it as a TV stand or tray or sit next to it, you could put your feet underneath without directly hitting the legs right away. You don't have that option on the other side. You can see the legs basically come right up to that side of the table, but we have a lot more room on this side. So hopefully that helps you understand a little bit more about this table and its sizing. So not the most exciting use case for this table, but you can see what I'm using it for here. So we're in my data closet and I wanted something to keep the server off the ground. And this is going to be a perfect fit. And that computer is pretty heavy, so it's doing a great job supporting the weight of it. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.